Right, so what have we got here this month, folks? Marshall's Your Vegetable and Fruit Company Growers Blend Vegetable Growing Compost. It's quite unusual to have a growing compost just for vegetable growers, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
It is. So it says premium specially blended compost with home growers in mind, rich in organic matter with slow release fertiliser.
Enriched with phosphorus. So that's good for roots.
Yeah. Perfect drainage, moisture holding. Yeah, for fruit and vegetables. So
Great for containers.
Yeah, ideal for all containers and pots. Yeah.
So we've cracked it open. It does say wear gloves when you're handling it, which you should
do with all
do
compost,
with all
doesn't it?
compost, really. Yeah.
It's very fine.
It's very fine. Yeah.
Smells nice.
It smells earthy, as you might expect.
Very good. Oh well, we'll give it a spin
Give
with
that a
some
whirl.
tomatoes.
Yeah. So ideal for pots and containers that you want to grow your veg in, basically.
Yeah.
I suppose, you know, you could use it in a raised bed if you
Yeah.
a little bit of it anyway.
Well, they are suggesting you can put it sort of like this.
Roll it to loosen it up.
Loosen it up.
Grow back.
And then actually, if you cut 2 holes, you could actually put 2 tomato plants in that, or 1 cucumber, or a big squash. You can even grow a squash in that. Make sure you put holes in the bottom.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, it's worth. So that's.
Yeah.
So
Looks nice.
Growers
Looks a nice compost.
Yeah.